Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on the Uber app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your phone number. Maybe you've misplaced your phone, or maybe you got a new phone number. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Uber app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, click on your profile photo on the top right-hand corner. Then on this page here, go ahead and click on Personal Info. Then click on Phone Number. And then this is where you're going to go ahead and change your phone number. So enter your new phone number and then click on Update. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your phone number on the Uber app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.